When chatting with a potential customer, one of the ways that you build confidence and trust in your abilities is discussing your process as a freelancer. Your process is the systematic, step by step framework you follow to address a problem and provide a solution. It's one of the ways you can illustrate that you've done this before. You're not haphazardly figuring it out as you go, but that you've offered this type of service to customers in the past and navigated the complexities, accounted for mistakes, issues, and mishaps, and tried to minimize or avoid those, and have delivered results in the past. When discussing your process, there's three things to call out. First, your process needs to be understandable. It needs to be simple enough for the potential client you're speaking with to follow along, ask questions, and understand if it's if you're the right match for them as a vendor, as a freelancer. Secondly, the process needs to be adaptable. You shouldn't have a process that feels too rigid or one size fits all. Sure, you need to standardize how you're tackling a particular project as a freelancer, but you need to make it malleable enough that it will account for the unique circumstances of a particular client so that they say, oh, okay, you understand our environment and can change this step or that part to better suit our needs. And often that's quite appealing. Customization is very appealing to most organizations. And then finally, this process needs to be results oriented. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if it doesn't achieve the goal that the client is after. So talk about similar results that you've seen by following this process as a freelancer in the past. So make your process really understandable, adaptable, and results oriented to help seal the deal.